Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Cute little muffler. I believe that goes in like that, like this. Here we go. And then that gets bolted up. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna. Okay, I forgot to turn the camera on for this. What I'm doing is cutting a hole in here for the little hose to come out of the heater. This will actually work pretty good here. And eventually what I'm going to do is come out with a hose and then go through here so I can feed it to the rear. But this will at least give me heat in the living room, which we have none, barely. They didn't do a very good job of that. And this will turn when it's in, so you can get whatever you want. I've got to get a lid. Let's see if this will fit now. Let me turn this light on. Oh, I think that'll work. There. Now we just go from here to here. That'll be great. It'll work really nice, I think. Okay. I'm trying to figure out about where to cut it. Right about here. Not sure how to cut it. I think this will work. Just have to get it clamped on that one. Okay. Now, the vacuum cleaner will vacuum this up a minute. Okay, let me take this up. I'm gonna get that caulking gun, and I'm gonna caulk around here, and then I'll have to have you probably help me. It'll take me a minute to get that. Oh. That double layer there kind of screws me up. Here, just spit it in that way. Oh, can't get it in there now. That's the trouble. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. There we go. There. Whew. Okay. There, that's on there now. And this can turn whatever way you want it to turn. Okay, the problem is where that thing goes in, you need a small hole so this will seal on the outside. And yet, how do you tighten up that clamp that's in between the two walls? So I put the clamp on and I made the hole a little bit bigger, and I kind of wormed it and I forced it through so till it popped through. And that's pretty good. I can turn this whatever way I want to turn it for heat. And all we got to do is make a little 90 on here, stick it on there, and then clamp it. But I've got to, what I have to do first is below here is it's got to be sealed. So I've got some of this sealer stuff, but I don't know if that's gonna, I think that might do it. We'll just put it down in there and see what happens there. That's it. That sealer, oh, I should have put a clamp on first. That sealer is Dicor from what we use on roofs for sealing roofs. It's not a little 1 hour job. Couple trips to the hardware store. Okay. There we go. Now this will be screwed into here. And for this end, it's just supposed to suck in here. But since there's no vents into this little area, I'm going to cut a vent through here and put a little square patch just for a vent for some air movement. I mean, this cabinet door isn't sealed, but you need more air than what you have in here. So that'll work out really good. I forgot to buy, I was going to buy some kind of a circular vent. I have another one. I can put another one of those vents, those turn things. See, I can put one of this, I could put this here, so it just sucks through there, but I don't know if I want to do that. I think I just as soon, all right, we have to try to put some screws in here if we can just screw it down. Okay, finishing my install on this little diesel heater. I need power, 12 volts power. So I have some behind the fireplace. We have some power cord here. This is 12 volts. So I'm going to tap right through the wall here, and I'm coming through the wall here and going across to there. And what I'm eventually going to do is have a cove that comes over here, because I'm going to have a heater duct come out of here, and then the other heater is going to the back so I can heat the garage, my living room and garage. So that's this won't be seen eventually. So I soldered those little wires here. I'm going to pull them through and see if I can get these taped up here. It's like 90 degrees outside today. Got the AC running. We maintain about 13 to 13.2 for voltage while the AC is going with the solar and the batteries. It's 79 in here right now. It's 90 outside. Okay. What I'm doing is so I shove this wire through here so I can pull these other wires out here and get them fed through there. The hole's not much bigger than the two wires. If it'll go through, I might have to drill a bigger hole. Yeah, I'll have to. The hole's just a little too small for both of those. I could pull one, but I couldn't pull both. Yeah, I was kind of afraid of that. Yeah, it's a little too small. Okay, I gotta get a bigger drill bit. See ya.
RV broke.